Hey guys, welcome to the channel. By the way, this is my first video. We got my sister over here, that's Lauren.
Hey guys,
Yep.
subscribe to my channel.
And this is her truck. It is a why don't you tell us about your truck?
Oh, this is a 1996 Dodge Ram 1500. It's a work in progress, drilled. Well, I have a channel that's gonna be featuring this truck here. Go subscribe to it. It's 318 something. It's a 2-wheel drive. It's got I'm looking on painting it a little bit, you know. Don't go back there, I got the license plate. Let's see, over here, you can see I painted the grill. The interior is having some major remodeling done. You can see I took the headliner out, just sitting there.
Oh yeah, don't mind a mess. Alright guys, sorry for that noise. Our neighbor is out with the bike. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing with his bike, to be honest. And by the way, my sister's YouTube channel.
Yeah, my channel name is 318 Lauren.
Don't worry, I'll have it in the description and everything. There's a truck, and what my sister's doing with this truck, she is right now. She is currently customizing it, like with paint and everything. We showed you like the pink girl, the badges, and we have the pink bumper. There are mess ups we need to touch. She needs to touch up here, right there, and right there. So some stickers on here. We want to see that. And yeah, it does have some holes in the bed. Oh, oops. Let me get. Okay, hold on, guys. Yep, right there. Big hole. She is gonna be replacing this bed. I don't know when. She has the customized gas cap. So yeah, that's my sister's truck. And what I'm planning on doing with this channel is showing you some stuff on my sister's truck. And so whenever I get my truck, I'll be showing you guys that. I plan to do like lifting it, changing the exhaust, adding some performance modifications, and also showing some other vehicles on my channel. So if you like that stuff, please subscribe and support me. I am new to this whole YouTube vlogging thing, so please subscribe to me and to my sister over there.
Please subscribe.
I'll see you guys in the next one. The next video, we're gonna be painting some more interior pieces on the truck. So if we want to see that, just tune in and I'll have that uploaded. So I didn't really have all that much to show in this video. I'm just saying that this is my channel. Subscribe. My sister's channel, she is right there. So yeah, see you guys in the next one and have a good day.